All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a new wig for y'all. This wig is from iShowbeauty, and I am wearing their loose deep wig in 24 inches and 150% density. So if you are interested, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so again, this wig is from iShowbeauty. I'm going to start off by saying that this hair is absolutely beautiful. Of course, this is my initial review, so I will be back at a later date within a few weeks or so to give you guys an update on how this wig is going and how it's holding up. But so far, like initially, you guys, I was so shocked at how thick and full and just full of just body and everything. It's just luscious hair that this wig had. But I did have to pluck the crap out of the hairline, which is what I'm doing here. And I think I spent like 15 minutes or maybe longer, maybe 20 minutes just kind of plucking away carefully. But I will go back and really kind of, you know, detail the hairline up a bit more. But here, you guys, I am wearing again their loose deep wig. It's 150% density. It is 24 inches. And when it comes to curly hair, I don't really like to add heat. If you've been following me, you know that about me. I don't really like to straighten curly hair or anything like that. I just like to let it be because I'm just trying to increase the longevity of the wig. So I'm just adding some mousse, and I'm taking out the baby hairs right here, and I'm just gonna lay those down with a little bit more of the styling lotion. So of course I'm just taking out a few more hairs on the opposite side, and I'm gonna cut those a bit and then add some setting lotion and lay them down with a black these little wrap things that I've been using forever on my edges. And this just sets the hair, it molds it for me. And to speed up the process, I'm just simply taking my blow dryer, because I don't have all day for it to set, and I am blow drying it down to set the wig. So I did tint the lace on this particular wig with a tint spray. I can't remember the name, but I will put it down below for you guys. And here I'm just taking my Got To Be Freeze Spray and using that for my adhesive to lay my wig and get it to stay. If you have not tried this method, just using the Got To Be, please do it, because I had seen it for like, I don't know, a year or two now, however long I've been seeing it, and I was just nervous to try it. But let me tell you guys, it is like the best method ever. I think this method is perfect for just day to day, especially if you take your wigs off every night like I do. So just try it. Anyways, you guys, I am just laying it down, just using my blow dryer, of course, to speed up the process with the freeze spray. And also with the spray, it doesn't leave that residue, like the sticky white cast residue that you get with the Got To Be glue either. So yeah, so now I'm just going to lay a few little baby hairs. I don't even know if I did a few, but I think I did a few with this look. I do need to go back. I really want to really customize this hairline. I'm going to do my best. I've been working on trying my best to customize, but this hairline, you guys, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it was just so thick. I was like, you know what, let me not even get carried away with doing too much plucking, because I just didn't want to pluck and not know like what I was plucking, you know what I mean, not have a rhyme or reason to plucking. I actually wanted to mimic my own hairline, and I just wasn't prepared to do that, because I just didn't know that this hairline would need more plucking than I am kind of used to doing. But because I am who I am, you guys, I have a plus side to everything. Because this hairline, they give you like a little bit thicker of a hairline. It will definitely help me with trying to, like customize a hairline and really kind of make it my own. And also, if you're someone who wears like one, or you just want to maybe invest in one wig, or you wear your wig constantly or something like that, I don't really know. But as far as the front goes, those, you know it's not gonna bald. That's pretty much what I'm getting at. Some wigs that are already thin at the hairline, they're gonna bald a lot faster, and I just don't see this one doing that. I don't see it doing that at all, because they gave you more than enough hair to really make it your own. And yeah, and I just had to point that out, because I see, every time I see a negative in something, I always try and see a positive. So that's just me, that's just who I am. So I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair, period. I don't like to put a lot of product in my natural hair, and I don't like to put a lot of product in my wig. So I'm just simply taking some water and some setting lotion. This setting lotion is probably my favorite, and it's the cheapest one. It's the iShowbeauty setting lotion. It's like $3, and I applied that all over this hair, and I just used that pretty much to bring the curls out. And now I'm just taking my wax stick, which I really didn't need, but I'm just so used to using it, and I love it at this point. But yeah, just gonna finish with some concealer and a little powder on top of my part, and that's pretty much it, you guys. So far, I'm pretty excited about this wig. I think the price point is definitely gonna be up a lot of you guys' alley. I want to say it's under $200, but do not hold me to that. But that's what I want to say for this 24-inch wig. This hair is high density. It's super thick, super full, and the hair is also incredibly soft. So, and not to mention, of course, this wave pattern, this loose deep, is absolutely beautiful, you guys. So yeah, initial review. I will be back in a few weeks to give you guys a follow-up and my final thoughts on this hair from iShow Hair, this wig, of course, from iShow Hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that, you know to put them down below, and I will answer you, of course. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.